In this video, we will see some of the CRM best practices for admin users. So, as an administrator of your CRM, you need to do certain configurations so your securities will be tightened. So, we will see some of the best practices. The first thing is you need to define your profiles rightly. So, if you log into your CRM, you go to settings. In the user, you will be seeing that this is called a profile. So, there are 3 profiles available: administrator, manager or employee. So, you need to check whether you are giving right profile to right person. So, because if you give administrator profile to somebody, he can actually delete the data, he can export the data, he can view others' data, all these things are possible. And in your organization, you want to have a customized options for giving security also, that's also available. You can talk to us, we will change these profiles also for your need. The second thing is audit log. So if you go to administration, there is a screen called audit log. So as an admin, you can have a look at who is doing what in the system, what time they are logging in, what operations they are doing. You can also use a search to specifically search for a specific person or specific date, today, yesterday, what activity has happened. All these things are available for you. So it's always a best practice, so you keep a tab on this audit log. Actually, these 2 things are available by default for all the customers in the CRM. But there are certain advanced restrictions. Based out of customer requirement, we can enable and give it to you. We can build a password policy enforcement. So you can have a type policy where your users should have a 8-digit password, 10-digit password, alphanumeric. Those things you can restrict. You can make it mandatory. And you can also have an expiry date in the password. Like password auto expires every 90 days. You can bring that also actually. And from the IT perspective, you can have a method where you can, if you have a static IP in your company, you can tell the telecallers, if you are having, they can access CRM only from your office, which means only from that static IP they can access. So they cannot access the CRM from their home. That is possible actually. And same way for telecaller team, you can have number masking, email masking and all. So they will see the record, but they can't see the number. So if you have cloud telephony system, this is possible. They don't need to see the number. All they have to do is just click the number, the call will get connected. So that is also available. And if you are having a field sales team, you can have mobile IMEI restrictions, which means only registered mobile number can access the CRM. You can register the IMEI in the CRM system, only it will give access to registered mobile hardware actually. You can also have an auto logout or timeout feature, where if somebody keeps the CRM logged in for very long time, software will automatically log out that person. These things are available. So based out of your need, you can talk to our support team and get these things enabled for your company. These are some of the best practices, and there are some webinars we have taken, so you can have a look and you can understand how to do overall administration, setting up the system for your company.